Alright, what's up guys? How's it going? Gadgetwala Labs is back and we're live this time because I'm unboxing a brand new gadget. A whole host of ebook readers in India today, and right from 6,000 rupees, which is the cheapest Amazon Kindle, which is the ebook reader that you can buy, which is just called Kindle. That's the only one that goes only by the name Kindle. Everything else has one more word after the Kindle. There's the Kindle Paperwhite, which was, according to me, one of the best ebook readers ever, because finally e-ink, जो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक इंक का पेपर जैसा डिस्प्ले होता है, उसमें for the first time साइड से LED lights थे, so you could read it absolute darkness में. And then of course comes the new Kindle Oasis. Now Oasis has been getting a lot of press, some negative, some positive, क्योंकि this is also their most expensive ebook reader. ये लगभग 23,999 का है, which is 24,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version and almost 28,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi plus 3G, their magical Whisper Sync 3G connection version. Okay, so inside the box, nice packaging, typical Amazon Kindle, nice matte black box with Kindle Oasis written over here, and this I'm guessing is the leather cover, which is also an extra battery. As in it charges the battery as well. Just going to open this up, Kindle Oasis, and there you have it. Regular standard stuff, micro USB. Just going to put that aside, and you have recycling information for Indian customers. Wow, I didn't know that comes. And a very simple, ज़्यादा buttons तो होते नहीं है Kindle में. A simple booklet that explains what the Kindle, how you're supposed to use it and things like that. Okay, let's strip this off the plastic. Good afternoon, guys. Good afternoon. Wow. Here we go. That is the Kindle Oasis. I'm just going to bring this up close to the camera, and hopefully Xiaomi's front-facing camera will pick it. The Mi 5. You see this, it's extremely thin over here. And I'm going to give you the specifications in terms of millimeters soon, but this is incredibly thin, and then towards this edge it becomes thicker, which is good because यहाँ पे जो सारी circuitry है, that's actually within this part. You see this raised surface? Yeah, so everything is out here mostly. It's just the display and the tech that powers the display, but your battery, your circuitry, everything is in here. You have two tactile buttons here this time for page up and for page down. The resolution is a high resolution 300 pixel per inch display. It's the same proprietary, electronic ink technology that you have. और इसमें बहुत बड़ा फर्क ये है, which is great because you're carrying forward जो उन्होंने Kindle Paperwhite में दिखाया था, that it's a lit up screen. यानी कि आप अंधेरे में भी पढ़ सकते हैं. And it's an adjustable light so that you can illuminate the screen in absolutely any environment. And I think with Kindles, the real game has always been कि ये सिर्फ hardware का खेल नहीं है, because what Amazon Kindle really gives you is, I don't know, millions and millions of books to read from. I'm checking out on the website and it says over 5 lakh ebooks हैं जो 99 रुपए या उससे कम की कीमत के हैं. So that is a ton of title without really spending any amount of money. Of course, when you buy an electronic reader like the Kindle, your expenses don't really end over there, because जब भी आपको एक नई किताब खरीदनी होती है, आपको बस Amazon Kindle के बुक स्टोर पे जाना होता है and you buy that book, and either वो Wi-Fi से आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं या फिर Whisper Sync जो 3G टेक्नोलॉजी है उससे इस पे आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. Within seconds or within minutes download हो जाता है, because any book is really just a few kilobytes, is not very heavy. This itself has 4 GB of storage on board, which is a huge jump from the original Kindle, but you don't really need much because 4 GB can really hold like thousands and thousands of books. So that's what it is. Let me power this up actually. The power button's right here. Okay, so as soon as I powered it up, can you see the difference in the color? It's become a whitish display and it's powering up. The LED lights are powering up over here, and that's what you have. Oh, another big difference about the Kindle Oasis is अब तक typically जो ebook readers थे, be it the Paperwhite or the Voyage, you would get a battery life of 2 weeks, right? You'd get a battery life of maximum 1.5-2 हफ्ते. But now on the Kindle Oasis, which is what this extra surface is for, या extra मोटापा is for, because इसके अंदर जो battery है, on one charge, you can use the Kindle Oasis ebook reader for up to 2 months. Well, I'm going to put the Oasis down. This is the other box, which comes with this beautiful leather cover, which has some sort of magnet, जो automatically इसको, it's got a nice suede leather type finish over here, जो अंदर की तरफ होता है, and there is, if you can see, you know, it's just this leather cover, and this part is actually an extra battery, and then there are the connector pins यहाँ पे, and all you have to do is, this is the cover, this is the Kindle, there you go, magnetically attached हो जाता है, and that's that. Ashish, you have a Kindle paperback, should you feel outdated? Ashish, it's a very good question, and a very simple answer, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, absolutely not. See, the Amazon Kindle Oasis is a gadget that you want. It's not what you need. And almost आपके 10,000 रुपए या 13,000 रुपए के Kindle Paperwhite में जो तमाम चीजें हैं, almost आपका reading experience एक जैसा ही होने वाला है. Of course, this feels better and it's a much more premium device. The screen is much better. Look at that. Reimagined, ultra design. Longest Kindle battery life, I told you 2 महीने की battery life yet. High resolution 300 ppi display, which is similar to the Voyage. Adjustable built-in light, holds thousands of books. What I really like about it is a luxury product. It's an ebook reader जो high-end market की तरफ इन्होंने target किया हुआ है. So the feel is beautiful. But storage, Raghav Tandon, इसमें 4 GB storage आती है. Ebook readers typically इतनी memory रखा करते हैं. But इससे ज़्यादा आपको रखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं होती, because one ebook hardly कुछ 50 MB, 50 KB, kilobytes या 60 KB या मोटी किताबें, बड़ी किताबें like Hitchhiker's Guide to the Galaxy, which is a relatively bigger, thicker book, hardly कुछ couple of 100 KBs के अंदर आ जाती है. So you don't need a lot of space typically, and I don't know man, एक टाइम पे आप आदमी कितने किताबें पढ़ेगा. So it's future proof. You can keep using this forever. It's got for everyone who's just joined in, this is a Kindle Oasis, the brand new Kindle by Amazon. It's an expensive, luxurious Kindle because it is about 24,000 rupees for the Wi-Fi version and 28,000 rupees, 27,999 for the Wi-Fi plus 3G version. This is the Wi-Fi plus 3G version. I have no idea what amazing partnerships Amazon has with network providers all over the world, but WhisperSync, जो इसका 3G होता है, literally दुनिया के किसी भी कोने में, फिर आप एक marooned island पे हो, beach पे हो, hills में हो, you get access over there. You always have internet, and you need hardly कुछ basic internet यार, कुछ KBs की book download करने के लिए आपके Kindle account से. So if you're someone who spends a lot of time traveling and wants to download books on the go, वैसे तो आदमी आराम से प्लान करके पहले से ही वाईफाई पे डाउनलोड करके रख सकता है, बट इफ यू आर समवन लाइक दैट, तो ही आप कंसिडर कीजिएगा 3G वाला वर्जन, बिकॉज उसके लिए अलग 4,000 रुपए भरने पड़ते हैं. कैन वी ब्राउज इट ऑन एंड सेव डॉक्यूमेंट्स ऑन दैट लाइक iPad? अमर यादव, बिल्कुल भी नहीं, बिकॉज ये टैबलेट नहीं है, ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक ई बुक रीडर है. तो बस आपको किताबें अगर पढ़नी होंगी, देन दैट इज द ओनली रियल पर्पस ऑफ एन ई बुक रीडर. It is supposed to be a singular device, unlike the multitasking devices जो बाकी सारे हमारे tablets या smartphones होते हैं. It is only and only supposed to be a device जिसके ऊपर आप किताबें पढ़ते हैं and nothing else. इसमें हालांकि Wi-Fi और वो सब हैं, but I mean you can't really use this for web browsing or something, man. इसका वो मकसद ही नहीं है. It doesn't even try to do that. Is it a massive update on the paperback? Well, design-wise, it's Paperwhite. You mean Paperwhite? Paperback तो किताबें होती है, hardcover and paperback, Ashish. But yes, it's a big design shift, I would say. It looks beautiful. That is a big difference. This leather cover that attaches magnetically and covers it up and also adds extra battery is incredible. And to charge when you plug in your charger, जो इसके केबल आते हैं, इसका जो केबल आता है, you can get up to 2 months of battery life. So it's a nice premium Kindle. I think ये जो dual charging battery system है, dual battery charging system है, it's pretty amazing because that gives you months of combined battery life, and it's a great display. It's an absolutely great display. It is an LED display. यहाँ पे side पे LED lights हैं, and so you can really adjust the luminosity for any environment that you read in, and it's a cool one. What do you guys think? 24,000 रुपए Kindle Oasis, is it worth spending so much? जबकि आप एक पूरा स्मार्टफोन खरीद सकते हैं. Xiaomi का Mi 5 is actually the same price as this, give or take 500,000 रुपए. But 25,000 रुपए is a lot of money, man, for a device, and it's going to be, of course, धड़ल्ले से बहुत ज़्यादा numbers में शायद ना बिके. I'm guessing a lot of celebrities will want to pick this up, who are fond of reading, if they read. I'm not judging celebrities, I'm just saying if they read, this might be a good device for them to pick up. This is a very premium device, and you know, with all luxury devices, you don't buy them because you need them, you buy them because you want them. That's a big differentiator. It's time for me to sign out, guys, but feel free to watch this video again, and of course, follow and subscribe to my feed, ताकि जब भी मैं live जाता हूँ आपको पता चल जाएगा, and we can have a lot more interaction on the upcoming things. Also, don't forget to catch my website www.thegadgetwala.in. You will see a lot more detailed reviews and articles over there, and you can always follow me on Snapchat and Instagram. My handle is Gadgetwala. Adios amigos, have a fantastic Guruvar. See you guys soon.